Welcome to viaSocket Automations. What if every new lead in Sukam Apps CRM could automatically create a contact instantly? A new lead drops in, viaSocket gets to work, and your CRM updates itself like magic. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple workflow to automate it all. Let's see how to do it in viaSocket. First, click on Create New Flow. Now choose your When the Trigger. This makes sure when your automation should get triggered. Search for Sukam Apps CRM. You can choose the trigger according to your use case. In our use case, we'll select New Lead is Added as our action. Next, connect your Sukam Apps CRM account. Once connected, choose the fields you want to get from CRM. Click Test, and you will get the order details in the response box. Then click Save. Do not skip the save step. Without saving, the flow will not capture future leads. Now, let's choose Do, the action. Click on Add Step. Search for Sukam Apps CRM and select Create Contact as your action. You can select whatever action you want according to your use case. Next, connect to Sukam CRM's account. If not already connected, enter the API token, which you can get from your Sukam CRM profile, and then enter the domain. Press Add Connection. And done! Once connected, choose the fields which you want to include. For this use case, we'll include phone, name, and address. Now map each from the trigger. Once everything is set, click Save. Finally, click Go Live. And done! Congratulations! You have completed your workflow automation. Now your contact will be created whenever a new lead is added in Sukam CRM. That's how easy it is to make workflow automation using viaSocket.